In a heart-fluttering moment that has fans buzzing, Junho and Yoona were recently spotted enjoying a quiet dinner together at a cozy restaurant in Seoul. The beloved duo, known for their undeniable on-screen chemistry and long-rumored off-screen bond, seemed completely at ease in each other's company. Eyewitnesses who happened to be at the restaurant described the atmosphere as warm and relaxed. The two stars were seated at a private corner table, casually dressed yet radiating their signature charm. They shared a variety of dishes, laughing and chatting throughout the meal. Those present say they looked like a real couple, comfortable, close, and genuinely happy. What made this sighting even more exciting for fans was the way Junho gently served Yoona her food and how she responded with a soft smile. It wasn't just dinner, it felt intimate, sincere, and unfiltered. Their chemistry was undeniable, even in this simple, real-life setting. As soon as the photos hit social media, fans went into a frenzy. Some praised their natural connection. Others began speculating if this was a quiet date night. And many simply expressed joy at seeing the two enjoying time together outside of the spotlight. Neither Junho nor Yoona have officially confirmed any romantic relationship, but moments like this continue to spark hope and excitement among their supporters. Whether it's friendship or something deeper, one thing is clear: seeing them share a peaceful dinner together was enough to make fans' hearts melt. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more exclusive updates.
你是我最好的回忆，幸福终于把我们锁在一起。我的心像一场雨，淋湿我的小手，说借一厢情愿又痴迷。心底是选择还是放弃？拿起手机，编辑勇气，发出表白多一些。在这雨雪的夜里，你是我最好的回忆。